Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video on Reviewing the Hux World. Today we got some nice watch faces for you guys to check out. Now this one is going to be nice. It's by MWF. This one is called XS. Now I like it because it's simple. We're not through with the work week yet, so this should carry you all the way through to the end, maybe even over the weekend if you're looking for a casual wear. Now I like this one. It's plain and simple. It has a traditional look so far as the watch face is concerned. Now in the AOD mode you are going to get a simple look, pretty much the same as what you see right now. Now when the watch face is on, you again have a nice unique analog watch face with a nice ticking second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, and also you got this yellow fun looking analog hands as well. Again, it is a dress down watch face, a casual watch face, but it is free for the taking in the Gift Manager store, so that makes it a definite download. And on top of it, it is interactive. Check this out. If I tap in the middle, I can pull up my calendar. If I tap right here, of course, I pull up my battery info. Over here, you can pull up your alarm. And if I double tap at the top, I can set, of course, the color. Now you get a few different colors in all, and I thought that was nice. Again, it's a free watch face. You can't beat this with a baseball bat. All right, you all, that's it for watch face number one. Yes, we got one more for you to check out, so don't go anywhere because it's coming. Watch face number two, people, is really nice. It's called MWF 14 Carbon. It's going to be a super casual and a dress up watch face. Now you could save this for the weekend, or you could play this one today. Now this one is nice. Now in AOD mode, it's going to look just as nice because it's going to look like the watch face when it is on, which is cool, especially if you're considering dressing up in this watch face. You do want the same look. Now once the watch face is on, you get a nice analog look. It has an elegant taste to it as well. Now up at the top in the middle, you will be able to get your date information, the name of the watch face, and right here that's going to be, of course, your day of the week, and over there it's going to be your date. Now you got nice fun premium analog hands that looks nice. A unique second hand is ticking around the bezel of the watch. Here's going to be your heart rate information, and this big dial, that's going to be your steps, and over here that's going to be your battery. So again, a good look for a super casual dress up watch face that packs a punch so far as features and functions is concerned. So let's check that out. If I tap on the day of the week, I can get my calendar, set an event. If I tap right here in the middle, I can bring up my step status info. Also here, of course, you know it's going to be your battery info. Now up at the top, if I double tap, I can change the color theme of this watch face to a few different colors in all. So I thought the developer was really generous with what he's given, especially considering that the watch face is free. So what do you think, people? I thought he did a really good job with this watch face, and I'm going to give him 3 thumbs up in the door. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please, before you leave, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.